Hey Nicole, thank you for the comment, thank you for your question. I think I answered this in another video, but I'll do it again real quick. These are just my things, but I have a YouTube series about this on my YouTube channel with longer, more info, and it does constantly change, but I think going for at least 7 to 8 days so that you have at least 6 to 7 consecutive tries in a row. B, going into the store every day, showing your face to the leather counter. You can stick to one store or you can do it in multiple stores. I would say choose all 3 stores so you have more chance. Don't specify store unless you really have a relationship with one store. The first day you get there, C, D, whatever, buy something right away from the store so you have purchase history in France, recent purchase history, even if you already have purchase history, recent purchase history, be something small, and buy it with somebody, and also even ask then. Even ask, you can get a walk-in, ask for walk-ins, and if you don't get walk-ins, they'll keep telling you to do the lottery. Every time they tell you to do the lottery, tell them, or if they ask how long you're in Paris, or if you can squeeze it in and say you're only in Paris until this date, I would love, if it's possible, to get an appointment before then. They say the lottery is, random and there's no, they don't have any say in choosing it. I don't know if that's true or not, but I feel like people do get lottery appointments after they've gone in and talked, after they've made a purchase, after they've made a connection, talked to an SA, things like that. Make sure your profile has good standing history. Make sure you haven't bought in a bag in the past 6 months, because sometimes they check that. And if you have, it might hurt your chances. I don't think it necessarily does, but it could. Hold on, what else? Let me think. Make sure you're in France when you're doing it. If you're not, VPN outside of France so that it looks like you're in France and be able to get there. If you buy something, register after you buy it for the next day. You can buy stuff online and have it shipped to the store, and then when you pick it up, ask for the VAT, so you return it and rebuy it there. So that's purchase history there, and you've already bought it. And they have stuff on the website that are hard to get usually in the store too. This is all I got from the top of my head right now. Like I said, YouTube channel, Shopaholique, QUE, has more thorough, extensive, longer, and detailed, and more cohesive. Okay, bye. Thanks.